We've made learning to code as easy as ready, set, cheese with Colby, our programmable robot mouse. Simply pick an activity card and recreate the featured maze. Next, use the coding cards to plot a step-by-step path for Colby to find the cheese. Each card features a direction or step, such as forward or reverse, to program into Colby. Finally, enter the sequence of steps using the color-coded buttons. Press the green Start button and watch Colby race to find the cheese. If he doesn't quite make it, simply add the needed steps, reposition Colby, and press the green button to start again. Colby automatically lights up and squeaks when he reaches the cheese. Program additional special effects using the flash symbol card and red button. Make a wrong turn? Push the yellow button to start over. Want more challenge? Don't use the coding cards or try building your own maze. The possibilities are endless since Colby can be programmed up to 40 steps and features 2 speeds, perfect for the tabletop or floor. You can even add a second mouse for double the excitement. This deluxe set is the perfect hands-on introduction to coding and early STEM concepts. Enjoy hours of fun for the whole family with Colby, the Code & Go programmable robot mouse from Learning Resources, perfect for ages 5 and up.